have been there for so long. Wait, they're not. Jesse, there's a lie.
Quiet on the set.
Okay.
I'm a guide here at the Learning Farm. I help lead the children in place-based learning activities.
And what does that mean, place-based learning activities?
We provide a space and resources, and most of the activities we do here are child-led. So they come up with the activities, they come up with the things that they want to do, and we help guide them in helping them learn within having fun. We help them learn within these activities. So if they want to build a shelter, we tell them the importance of knowing about measurements and angles. There's a little geometry in there. What twigs, what branches make the best shelters. So there's a little science, earth science in there. We teach them about identifying trees and how to be leaders and how to be good at managing conflict. Real world skills. This kind of learning really engages students who are really hands-on. Those students that love to be outdoors or just love to run around and be active. There's a lot of students that some people would label them as really hard to keep focused. But if you really think about it, children don't like to keep focus. It's to their advantage to be distracted by things like birds and butterflies and trees and grass. And that kind of encouragement and learning that way really lends to their growth cognitively. I think it's really important for them to learn in that way because we're taught in many instances that there's only one way to learn, and that's in the classroom, right? But if you really look at the world as your classroom, then there's an endless amount of possibilities in the ways you can learn. In public school as a substitute teacher, I saw a lot of no. You can't do this, you can't do that. Instead of guiding the kids how to learn to properly behave. I feel like when children are kind of let to their own accord and kind of structure their own learning, they learn the skills that they feel passionate about. And I think those are important things for their future. Being able to be doing things they're really passionate about, I think will lead them to accomplishing big goals. Every passion that these kids have is somehow embraced when they're allowed to lead their own activities and allowed to learn in a variety of different ways and choose how they learn. If they want to learn math, they can learn math out here. If they want to learn science, if they want to learn about earth science, if they want to learn about pollution, this is a great place for that too. If they want to learn about farming and agriculture, some of the oldest skills in our entire existence, that's something they can learn here too. They're really good at building worlds, I've noticed, coming up with stories, playing games, interacting with their peers, And I think those are really important skills if you're concerned about your kids being prepared for a workplace or being a leader or even a counselor in the future. Here, you're learning those skills now with interacting with each other, taking risks, managing conflict, things that I feel there just aren't enough resources in the classroom to really help manage and help all the kids grow in the variety of ways you can learn out here in nature.
So I have one more question for you, at least while you're up in the tree, because my arms are about to fall off.
Yeah.
What are you doing up in the tree?
Oh, I climbed up here so I could help tie a knot for the tree swing. Actually, it's funny, I was not much of a climber before this past summer, this past winter. I was leading at a forest school and those kids taught me how to climb trees. They taught me the safe ways to climb trees. They taught me, where you want to grab onto when you're climbing a tree. And really, a real important skill, they taught me how to come down trees as well. That's another thing, these kids learn how to be teachers and learn how to talk to adults better than I've seen a lot of public school, private school kids that are kind of forced to be in a classroom. from my anecdotal experience, like I've seen a lot of like benefit in being outdoors and allowing kids to learn in nature. Is anyone else gonna climb up here?
Everyone's done it already, but I'm not
I don't think the little ones could really grab onto a branch efficiently. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna come down now. Who wants to spot me?
Me! Oh, you can do that by yourself. Can I sit in the tree for a long time? Tomas, if you fall, you're gonna catch her.
One second.
This is the fun part is playing.
And there's some kids, sometimes some